Hi, in this video I'm going to share with you the best drugstore eye creams that you can use under concealer. And I'm also going to share a little demonstration on how to use it correctly. Now, if you don't know me yet, my name is Melissa van Dijk and I'm a makeup artist, and this is my independent YouTube channel, which means I'm buying the products with my money. So I'm going to start off with the first eye cream, which is by CeraVe. It's the eye repair cream, and what I do love about this one is that it's very hydrating under the eyes, as well as also smoothens the skin. So just use a pea-sized amount of it. This is already enough. And then gently pat it under the eyes and then also slowly blend it into the skin. And you can feel the hydration directly. Like if you have dry under eye areas and you're going to use this one on top, I definitely notice a direct effect, which is good because then when you're using makeup on top, you don't have to wait too long or have so many uses out of it because it's going to work directly. And so now I'm going to give this one a minute to soak into the skin before moving on to the concealer. Now, while this is going to happen, I'm also going to use on the other side the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Cream. Now, this is also an eye cream that I truly love, and the main difference between those two is that this one will take maybe just a few seconds, a little bit longer to soak into the skin, whereas this one nearly immediately soaks into the skin, which if you have not much time or you want to have a quick application, then this one is definitely the one that you can use and use the products like nearly immediately on top. And with this one, do the same, use a pea-sized amount, tap it onto the skin, and then gently blend it into the skin. And with this one, it basically feels the same. It feels very refreshing. It smoothens the skin as well as also gives you enough hydration. So, now that those two are on, I'm going to use a bit of concealer and I'm going to start using it on the other side now that this one has soaked into the skin. It doesn't dry out your under eye area, which is good, but it still won't leave you that film or slippy film on top, so that you really can nicely blend the concealer on top. And then just patting it over. And it's also not going to give you any strange lines or strange like little dots. It just applies smooth on top of it, which is something that I truly love because I've also made the experience that it's not working well with makeup, and this is what I'm trying to avoid. It should work well on top. Now I'm going to repeat the same on the other side, a few dots. And then blending it into the skin. So now on both sides, nothing strange is happening, like you don't have any like little grittiness going on. It is smooth under the eyes, and this is something that you want if you're using an eye cream to get rid of the dryness, but also use makeup on top so that it looks smooth at the end, which is very important. And I know that not every eye cream is comfortable with makeup, but those two are really great if you want to combine it with makeup. So that's also why I would recommend those two as the best eye creams. Now, I do hope that you enjoyed this little demonstration as well as recommendation, and that I now can help you with getting rid of the dryness and also give you a beautiful makeup application. Now, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up as well as share it. I also do have individual reviews of those two eye creams on my channel, which I can link right here. And yeah, I will see you soon in the next one. Bye!